Metaphors are very common in speech. So what exactly are metaphors? Metaphors is a figure of speech where we describe things differently as something else. But the question arises, how is metaphor different from simile? Metaphors make direct comparisons, unlike simile, where words such as like and as are used. Metaphors make comparisons between things that are not alike but have something in common. For example, if I say you have a heart of gold, it means you are very kind and nice. Here are some other examples. My daughter is an absolute angel. This means the daughter is a well-behaved child. My brother is a night owl. Here, brother is not actually an owl, but he stays up late at night, just like an owl. Sam flew down the road in his car. This means Sam was driving really fast. Now that we have mastered metaphors, let's look at its types. Standard metaphor. It directly states the comparison between two entities as if they were synonyms. For example, he is a paper tiger. Implied metaphor. Here, we don't reveal the comparison between two entities directly, but imply it by a subtle shift in words. Example, the singer howled some high notes to wrap up the concert. Here, the implied metaphor compares the woman to a wolf. Dead metaphor. A metaphor is dead when it is so often used that its meaning is immediately understood, and it has lost all imaginative powers. Example, hanging up the phone. Next up is visual metaphor. In visual metaphor, it is not the language but the image that draws connection between two dissimilar conceptual realms. For example, folders for file collection and trash bin for discarded files. Good job, learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such content.